Meaning of hammer and sickle.
Hammer and sickle.
Hammer and sickle.
Hammer and sickle.
Hammer and sickle. The hammer and sickle is a symbol that represents the communist ideology. The hammer symbolizes the industrial working class, while the sickle represents the agricultural working class. The combination of the two represents the unity between these two groups in their struggle for equality and the establishment of a socialist society. The hammer and sickle was first used during the Russian Revolution in 1917 and has since become a widely recognized symbol of communism around the world. Despite its association with political controversy, it remains an enduring symbol of revolutionary change and social justice.